Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Melissa Samways and I am makeup artist. So to begin this makeup look today, I'm gonna apply the eyeshadow base all over the lids, and this is Painterly Paint Pots by MAC. I'm gonna spray it out with my clean finger, and oh my god, this is to be in the eyelid and not in my eyeballs. So now I'm gonna use the Dream palette by Sigma, and I'm gonna start off applying this cream beige shade in my crease just to help to blend the next eyeshadows that I'm gonna apply later. To apply this eyeshadow, I'm using a fluffy brush. And now I'm gonna apply this brown eyeshadow. This is a warm shade, and I'm gonna apply it using another fluffy brush. I'm gonna place the shade especially in my crease to create this amazing transition. So I'm gonna first place this eyeshadow in the crease and blend in circular motion. And guys, the formula of this palette is stunning. Oh my god, the colors are so beautiful and the formula are amazing. And now I'm gonna use a pencil brush and the darkest brown eyeshadow in the palette, and I'm gonna also help to create even more dimension in this cut crease. So I'm gonna place it a little below of the first brown that I applied. And next I'm gonna use a concealer or the same eyeshadow base as before to cut the crease and clean up the eyelid. Just like this. It's very easy and the effect is so beautiful. So I'm gonna add in the product gradually because I don't want to make any mistake at this point. And then I'm gonna just finish like this. As you can see here, I add a little bit of concealer but not too much, and I'm gonna slowly creating the shape of the eyes, comparing the two sides to, you know, look like the same thing. And now I'm gonna apply this highlighting shade all over the lid because this eyeshadow is so beautiful. I'm gonna apply it using a normal eyeshadow brush, and I can use this eyeshadow as highlighter in my face as well. The color is stunning. So next step is to line my eyes. So I'm gonna use the gel liner by Gloss, but after I do it, I'm gonna leave a space in the center to apply the eyeshadow and create this gradient effect in the eyeliner. So I'm gonna draw a cat eye in the outer corner and also in the inner corner, as you can see here. I'm gonna apply the gel liner in the lower lash line as well, and again I'm gonna leave the same space just to create a beautiful gradient effect in the eyeliner and also in the lower lash line smoky eyes. So I'm gonna just smudge the edges using a small clean brush. And then using a lip brush, I'm gonna apply this copper shade in the center of the eyeliner and also in the center of the lower lash line to create the gradient effect, which is so beautiful. I love this technique. And to make it even more dramatic, I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter. So I'm gonna use Midnight Cowboy by Urban Decay. And with this eyeliner glitter, I'm gonna add a little bit in the top of the eyeliner, also in the cut crease line, and a little bit in the lower lash line just to create this very glittery look and glam crazy makeup look. So now moving on to my skin, I'm gonna apply my favorite foundation, which is by Clinique, and this is the shade Vanilla. Also, I'm gonna apply a little bit of the Rose Gold Elixir, and this is by Farsali. I love this product. So using a kabuki brush, I'm gonna just blend these products in my face. What is left in the brush, I'm gonna apply in my neck and chest just to balance the color. And then I'm gonna contour and highlight. I'm gonna use the Boing Concealer by Benefit Cosmetics to highlight and the MAC Concealer to contour my face. So I'm gonna apply where I want to highlight and contour and also blend with the same brush as before. So I just set everything with powder. I use it Translucent by Laura Mercier, and then I'm gonna apply this beautiful blush by Too Faced Cosmetics, and this is the Love Blush in the shade Justify My Love. It's very cute. I love pink blushes because it looks natural. And next I'm gonna apply this highlighter by Melt Cosmetics. This is the Gosh Light. As you can see, it looks white, but when I blend the product in my skin, it looks gold and is very beautiful. So I'm gonna apply this highlighter using a big fluffy brush to concentrate the color where I want it to be, and then I'm gonna just blend a little bit the edges. And next, to finish up this makeup look, I'm gonna use a red lipstick today. I'm using the shade Venom by Sigma Beauty, which is stunning. Look at this color, guys. Oh my god, this is so beautiful, and the formula of this liquid lipstick is amazing. Lasts very longer, and I really like it. So that's it for this video, my babies. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video if you did. And I see you later in the next tutorials. Mwah.